County, Oswego, New York. Lake effect snow warning in effect from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Wednesday. What? Heavy lake effect snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches in the most persistent lake snows. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour will produce blowing and drifting snow. Snowfall rates may briefly reach 2 to 4 inches per hour. Where? Oswego County. Greatest accumulations across the Tug Hill Plateau, with much lower amounts across lower elevations. When? From 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Wednesday.